Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English listening practice. Today's topic is, talk about your biggest mistake. Everyone makes mistakes in life. Mistakes are a natural part of learning and growing. Sometimes our mistakes teach us the most valuable lessons. In this lesson, you will listen to different situations where someone talks about their biggest mistake and what they learned from it. These conversations will help you understand how to talk about mistakes, express regret, and explain lessons learned in English. So relax, listen carefully, and imagine yourself in these situations. Let's begin. Situation 1. Talking with a friend. Rahul is talking with his friend about an important mistake he made in the past. Conversation. Rahul, what is the biggest mistake you have ever made? That's an interesting question. Yes, everyone has at least one big mistake in life. I think my biggest mistake was not taking my studies seriously in my first year of college. Really? At that time, I spent too much time on entertainment and social media. What happened after that? My grades became very poor, and I realized I had wasted a lot of time. That must have been difficult. Yes, but that mistake taught me an important lesson. What lesson did you learn? I learned that time is very valuable and discipline is very important. Situation 2. Talking to a teacher. Now Rahul talks to his teacher about his mistake. Rahul, you seem much more focused these days. I learned from my past mistakes. What kind of mistake? In my first year, I did not manage my time properly. That happens to many students. Yes, but I realized that if I continued like that, I would fail. So what did you do? I changed my routine and started studying regularly. That was a smart decision. Yes, my mistake helped me understand the importance of hard work. Situation 3. Talking during a job interview. Sometimes people talk about their mistakes during interviews. Interviewer, can you tell me about a mistake you made in the past? Yes, of course. During a group project in college, I made a mistake by not communicating properly with my team members. What happened because of that? The project was delayed and the team faced some problems. How did you handle the situation? I accepted my mistake and apologized to my team. That shows responsibility. I worked harder to improve communication within the team. What did you learn from this experience? I learned that clear communication and teamwork are very important. Situation 4. Talking with parents. Now, Rahul talks to his parents. Mom, Dad, I want to share something important with you. What is it? I made some mistakes in the past, especially when I did not focus on my studies. We noticed that, but we are happy you improved. Yes, that mistake helped me understand the value of discipline. Mistakes are part of life. Yes, but they can teach us important lessons. What matters most is learning from them. I promise to stay focused and work hard from now on. We believe in you. Situation 5. Reflecting on the lesson. Rahul talks with his friend again. Do you regret your mistake? Yes, sometimes I do. But I also believe that mistake helped me grow. How so? It made me more responsible and disciplined. That is a positive way to think. Yes, now I try to use my time wisely. That's a great lesson. Useful English sentences. Here are some useful sentences you can use when talking about mistakes. I made a mistake in the past. That mistake taught me an important lesson. I regret my decision. I learned the value of discipline. I realized the importance of time. I accepted my mistake and tried to improve. Mistakes help us grow and become better people. Practice these sentences to improve your English speaking and listening. Listening practice conversation. Let's practice one more conversation. What is the biggest mistake you have made? I think my biggest mistake was wasting time when I should have been studying. What did you learn from it? I learned that time management is very important. Did that experience change you? Yes, it made me more responsible and focused. That is a valuable lesson. Final message. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. What matters most is learning from those mistakes and becoming a better person. Mistakes can teach us discipline, responsibility, patience, hard work. If you learn from your mistakes, They can become the foundation of your future success. Thank you for listening to this English listening practice lesson. Keep practicing English every day, and I will see you in the next lesson.